Hey guys, Tyson Eve here, back again for another video on the YTS IGTV series. Today's topic, we're talking traffic safety, and today's topic actually came from a student down in the Houston, Texas area. So thank you so much for taking the time to send this topic in. It's something that goes overlooked. In fact, as I'm preparing these videos, it's something I even overlooked. But it's an important topic, and she wanted us to cover car maintenance. Now, it's one of those things you don't think about until something actually happens, right? And as we get into the colder, cooler months, it's important that you're on top of all your maintenance so that you can avoid breaking down on the roadways. You want to check your tires, make sure you have plenty of tread. Roadways tend to be, there's more rain, maybe some possible snow or ice. So make sure your tires are inflated, make sure you have good tread, and make sure they're just in a good working order. Make sure your heater and your defroster are working. It's even when it's not snow and ice. I mean, it does get cold at times, and you just want to make sure that your heater's working. Make sure your lights and your windshield wipers are in working order. Something that we probably don't think a whole lot about. I mean, obviously our lights come on when it's dark outside, but make sure they're positioned correctly. And when it is raining outside, make sure you have good wipers on your car. Make sure your battery connections are good and tight. And last but not least, make sure you have a full tank of gas. Make sure your phone is staying charged. In the event that you do have a breakdown or you get stalled out on the roadways, you want to make sure that you have a full battery so you can call for some help. Make sure you have a winter survival kit. If you're out in remote areas, a lot of our schools are out, small towns, kind of out in the middle of nowhere. So make sure you have a survival kit, maybe some food. Make sure that you have something that's just going to keep you comfortable until help can get there and help get you back to town. So maintenance items is a very good thing. Thank you so much again for sending that in. It's something that goes overlooked so many different times, but make sure the maintenance is up on your car. Stay on top of it, and just make sure from time to time you're thinking about those maintenance issues. So as always, guys, if you have a comment just like this when she sent this in, if you have something you want to see on this channel, maybe you have a question for me or anybody here at Teens in the Driver's Seat, drop us a DM, shoot me an email, let me know what it is. I'm going to get that put into video. So until next time, until next video, you guys be safe. Continue to wash your hands. Stay positive. Hang in there. Adios.